I'm Heidi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different that I am hoping to be able to keep up with and do every single month. For the month of July, I want to share with you what my July goals are. I saw another fellow YouTuber do this and I thought, you know what, that's what I need to do because that will keep me focused and help me stay on my goals, things that I actually want to complete and get done during the month of July. Anyways, I wanted to share with you guys what my goals are. They're very simple goals, but I feel like with this sort of new normal that we have going on, a lot of times our minds are just sort of baffled with a lot of stuff. And sometimes I have a tendency of having trouble staying focused on what needs to get done. I'm easily derailed, if you will. And I want to be able to stay focused on what needs to get done. So I'm going to share that with you guys today, my goals for July. My first goal that I have is decluttering. I have a lot of stuff. I have stuff that has not yet been moved into this house since Ron and I have gotten married. And I really need to go through the stuff, decide what I want to keep, what I don't want to keep, maybe even make some listings to sell. I have a lot of wedding stuff that obviously I'm not going to want to keep. And you know, somebody could maybe, you know, I can get a few dollars out of it and they could use it for their wedding or their daughter's wedding or whatever. It'd also be stuff that you could use for anniversary parties or anything like that. I have a lot of extra stuff left over from the wedding. Decluttering also includes that I have an enormous amount of clothing that needs to be gone through. Yesterday, I went through 2 bags of clothes, and I want to tell you, I did a huge purge and it felt amazing to finally get rid of some stuff. I mean, your house is only so big and there's only so many clothing items that you can wear, and you know, I felt like I had like 10 of everything and I didn't really need to keep all that, but I kept what I felt like I could definitely use and had a purpose, and things that was comfortable to wear, things I knew I could wear. I did not keep things that did not fit. I got rid of it yesterday and it felt amazing to finally declutter. My second goal for the month is that I would really like it to set aside just a little bit of time for myself. Now, I'm not talking about 4 hours for myself. I'm talking about 20 minutes to paint my nails. I've not done my nails since the wedding. And I know that the nail salons are closed, the hair places are just kind of opening up. But sometimes a woman just needs a little bit of time, a little bit of sparkle on the nails makes, you know, the world a better place. And it helps you feel a little bit better about yourself. And I've been feeling I don't know if the word is frumpy, but just, you know, not my norm. And I just feel like I just need to take just a few minutes, you know, once a week. It doesn't have to be an everyday thing, but a few minutes once a week to give myself a facial or take a really hot bubble bath, paint my nails, maybe even give myself a pedicure at home. But whatever it is, I just need to do just a few minutes, just a few. Third thing that I would like to accomplish in July is to drink less soda. Now this one's a hard one because Kroger had a 5 for $10 sale. This is my second Pepsi today. And I don't need all this Pepsi in my life, but this is cherry Pepsi, by the way. I usually always drink Diet Pepsi, but Ron doesn't like diet, so I find myself now venturing into the really bad soda that I don't need to drink. And I need to get back on, if I'm going to drink it, usually I only drink like 1 can a day, and that's usually with supper. And so with this just got to stop. This is going to make me so fat and unhealthy. So I want to drink less soda. Need to look for something else. You got any suggestions, let me know down below in the description box. Fourth thing that I would like to do in the month of July is to phone declutter. Do you guys have as much pictures as I have on my phone? Like, it is amazing the amount of photos that I have of me and Ronnie. I take pictures of us all the time. I take pictures of us when we're out. And of course, you know, I have an Instagram and I am a YouTuber, and I'm always trying to make sure that I take pictures and videos, so my phone gets clogged, so clogged. And so I need to go through and eliminate I need to eliminate what is in there that I don't no longer need. And that's going to take some time, because I have over 4,000 photographs that have been taken since March. That is a lot of pictures and a lot of video. So, phone declutter. My fifth thing that I would like to do in the month of July, and this is so embarrassing, but I'm going to share it with you anyways. Hold on just one moment. Okay, I'm back. I would like to mail out my wedding thank yous. Yes, we've been married for 4 months and I have not mailed those out yet. So if you're somebody who came to the wedding or the shower, I apologize. I'm terrible at this. And I did already send out thank yous, like to people who was in the wedding, who helped set up, who did the cooking, the cleaning. I did do all that, believe me. There was a lot of work that goes into a wedding, and we have a lot of fantastic family and friends, and believe you me, I did thank them. But there's a lot of people that gave gifts and came and made our day special, and so I need to get these sent off. These here are sent off. I'm sorry about the glare, guys, but is that not the prettiest? I love those pictures. Anyways, we had a wonderful wedding, and if you're wondering where I got those made at, it was Walmart. And I think Walmart does a really good job, and you get your money's worth. My sixth thing that I would like to accomplish in the month of July is to put pen to paper. In the beginning of July, I will tell you guys, it has felt good to get my planner back out. I'm not a fancy planner guru, so if you're looking for videos like that, try Happily a Housewife. She loves this stuff. I do too, but I don't even know where to start with stickers and all of that. But I'm a type of person that I like to have everything that's in here, like all of my YouTube jumbled up ideas in here, out on paper. And I like to have written out the dates and when I would like to have specific titled videos for YouTube out for you guys. So putting pen to paper actually helps me be more productive for you all, so you guys get better quality content when it is, you know, when I'm making it. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my July goals. What I'm going to do is for next month, for August, I am going to bring up what I said in this video, and we're going to do a new one for August, and I'll tell you if I met my goals this month for the month of July. So look for that. And you know what? I will talk to you guys again soon. And if you are new to my channel and you like haul videos and cooking and day in a life and reviews and just hearing me ramble, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you be a part of my channel, and be sure to hit the bell so that you are notified when new content comes out. I always upload new videos Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I don't have a set time when it comes out, but be patient with me. I'm just getting the ball rolling again, and you'll see me Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Thanks so much for sticking with Kiddos Koral. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a fantastic week. What are your goals? Write them down. I want to see in the description box. Do this with me. Bye, guys.